Casitas 2, 3rd floor, room 42. Let's go inside. This is a preferred room. Good storage. Fridge under here. It's a beverage cooler. Keurig coffee. I hear this is outstanding. Beautiful space. These doors close at night or in the mornings so someone can get ready and others can sleep. We have a walk-in shower, newly renovated, beautiful. Lots of storage underneath and storage on the side, as well as this little closet area, which is a nice enhancement as well. You open that up, you've got a ironing board and place to put your luggage, as well as an iron. Casitas, building 2, 3rd floor, number 42. Coronado Springs Resort, preferred room.